In the last video, we looked at one way to find your study topic, gap-based discovery. We used what other researchers themselves wrote as future recommendations. Now we are moving to the second approach available on this platform, a different approach. This time, we are not asking which gap did the researchers mention, we're asking which papers right now are collecting high citations. Why does this matter? Because if you do a systematic review in an area that's rising, that's collecting citations quickly, your own paper's chances of getting high citations go up too. And to answer that question, we need one metric that many people overlook. Not total citation count, but citation per year.
Why citation per year? A paper published 10 years ago might have 500 citations. But a paper that's only 3 years old with 200 citations, that's more impactful. It's collecting citations faster. Its momentum is stronger. Google Scholar normally doesn't show this metric, but Publish or Perish can. Publish or Perish, or we call it POP, is a free bibliometric software from 𝗪𝗂. You can download it for Windows and also Mac. To get the software, go to 𝗪𝗂.com, download and install. Straightforward. This is the Publish or Perish interface. You'll see a list of databases in the middle. We want to use Google Scholar. Notice at the top, there's a column called Per Year. That's what we'll focus on for this section. Go back to topic 𝗪𝗵𝗿.online. Tick the two checkboxes. POP installed, Google Scholar panel ready. Click Continue.
Same as the gap-based approach in the previous video. Enter your field, area of interest, and type of research. For this example, Sports Science Nutrition Systematic Review. First step, identify emerging areas. Copy the prompt, go to your AI chatbot with a thinking model, paste, and run. This process is the same as the previous section. The AI will analyze emerging areas in sports science nutrition. You'll see the top 5 recommendations. This time, we pick topic number 3, Relative Energy Deficiency in Sport, or REDS, Nutrition Interventions. This topic is one of the hottest in sports nutrition right now. Copy that topic.
Go back to topicpop.online, paste the topic. And notice one thing here. The instruction says paste into the same AI chat, not a new chat, the same chat from before. Go back to that same AI chatbot, paste the prompt. The AI chatbot gives you 2 options. Option 1, comprehensive, broader scope, and option 2, precise, filtered. We'll use option 1 first. You'll see the title word string. It's long, and the keyword string below it. We need both of these for Publish or Perish. If you had to write a search string like this manually, it would take a long time. The system has generated it for us. Copy the title words, paste them into topicpop.online. Copy the keywords, paste, then press Generate POP Settings. The system has generated exact POP settings, date range 2024 to present, max results 200, and here's the important part. Notice the title words already have exclusion operators. The system automatically added exclusions like -review, -systematic review, -meta-analysis, because we want original studies, not review papers. If you had to write all these exclusions manually, it would take a while. The system has prepared everything. You just copy and paste.
Open Publish or Perish, paste the title words, paste the keywords, set the year to 2024, click search. "200 papers come up, and notice they're already sorted by per year. The top paper has 96 citations, 48 per year. Direct and indirect impact of low energy availability on sports performance. That's very high impact for a recent paper. This per year column is what separates POP from regular Google Scholar. This is the metric that shows the current impact of a paper. Now we want to select 4 to 6 of the most impactful papers. Not all 200, only the ones that are truly original studies, relevant, and have high citation velocity. Read through the top papers one by one, select the relevant ones. Hold Shift or Command plus click to select multiple papers. Then right-click, copy results, Results for Excel. Open Excel, paste. All the data comes in. Now we only need the title column. Highlight the title column, copy. Copy only those titles.
Go back to topicpop.online. Press I've copied the titles. Paste the titles here. Minimum 4, and in this case, we have 7. The system generates a final prompt that's comprehensive. All 7 titles we selected are included in the prompt. This prompt is not short. It has a role definition, context, all the titles, with instructions for the AI to analyze feasibility, novelty, and impact. Copy the full prompt. Open a new chat. New AI chatbot chat with a thinking model. Paste and run. You'll see it does validation first. Each potential topic gets checked. Is it saturated? Is the literature volume sufficient? Is the data accessible? And finally, it gives a verdict: viable or revise. This is a layer that gap-based discovery doesn't have, because trend-based uses real citation data. The AI can cross-check the saturation level. 5 proposed research titles come up. Title 1, Behavior Change Content in Nutrition Interventions. Feasibility score, high. The innovation angle isn't just asking, does education work? It's asking which specific change ingredients drive outcomes. That angle is sharp, not broad, but specific and actionable. The ranking table shows Title 1 and Title 5 tied at 4.7, but the primary recommendation goes to Title 1 because its novelty score is higher, 5 compared to 4. And notice the justification below. It explains why Title 1 wins and when Title 5 becomes the better alternative if you face constraints. Transparent, you can make an informed decision. We now have 2 ways to identify a topic. Both are strong, but they take different approaches. Gap-based uses future research recommendations from published papers. It's grounded in what researchers themselves suggest. Trend-based uses real citation velocity to find papers making high impact right now and derives topics from there. Which one should you pick? Use either one. Use both if you want. If your supervisor has already given you a topic, skip this step entirely and carry that topic forward to the next stage. The important thing is, after this step, you have a topic that's solid, feasible, novel, and backed by evidence. Next, we'll take this topic to the registration assistant. We'll generate a full protocol document, a search strategy, and register your systematic review on Prospero or OSF, all in the steps coming up. See you in the next video.